guys, we are back in our video, and today we're gonna continue Fireboy and Watergirl in the Forest Temple. I'm just trying out these headphones to see if my quality of voice is better. So yeah, let's get into it. Why is my door open? Okay, let's do this. I mixed up with the titles. I accidentally read Fireboy and Watergirl episode 7, but I didn't do a 6. So this is gonna be episode 6, just clarifying. Okay, we're gonna continue on this guy. That was a fail. Nope, go back. Okay. We aren't going to start with that because that's just going to make me super mad. And then, yeah, and then all that. Same as this one. Okay, we never tried this one yet. We're just going to put you right here. Is this jump even possible? Seems to be not. We're going to put you back up there. Nope. Oh no. There we go. Yeah, that jump's not possible. Why did I even try that? What? Oh, I accidentally went back to menu by accident. Am I supposed to go down with this? Now, Watergirl has to come down somehow. Here we go. I know what to do. Okay, same-o, same-o. Well, I messed that up. Yeah, I messed that up. Congratulations, Evan. You messed that up big time. No, I do not want to start an IQ test. No! No! Okay, I know what to do. So I'm gonna knock that box onto the red pressure plate. So then, yeah. Yeah, so you go down, and she will push. Then I will push, jump. Was I supposed to fall? Yes, I was. We're down up there. Let's get it. Oh no. Okay, I thought we wouldn't be able to get past. Let's get it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did and subscribe because this is part 6. Peace.